Hello, and today we're going to talk about Tapcons and over drilling the hole, and if you do, what you can do to save it. What I've done is I've taken the end of some wood and I've spliced it up to small splints, and the reason for this is the Tapcons we're using, which are here, are a bit small for the holes that were drilled. And that's because we don't actually have the right size drill bit on the job, and we need to do something that's going to make it work. In order to do so, what we're going to do is we're going to take these splints like so, and we're going to hammer them down into the holes, which I have already done. So as you can see, the holes are in there and they have the wood already punched in to the holes like so. So then you can take and you can come back and you can put the Tapcon here like this. Here we go. Just like that. Works like a charm. They're grabbing nice and tight. Today we're putting down some carpet, so we're trying to keep the edge of this wood nice and tight so that it's not going to lift up when you step in here. You don't feel that soft spot. Sometimes that happens. But there it is. Anytime you've got an oversized Tapcon hole, whether you're doing concrete or you're doing something that even with a regular wood or some type of material that you're drilling out and you over drill the hole, you can use anything from soft metal to wood, and you can put it into the hole, and then you can pound that screw right in there right behind it. It should work, and if it doesn't, give it a second try, and after that, well, maybe you want to get the right size bit and the right size screw. There it is. Tips.